Hello, magandang araw MMM Philippines. Ako nga pala si Bernardo from Davao City. Okay, so last November 24, 2015, I request to provide help 50,000 pesos using the Mavro Mining Pro plus 20%. Then I was able to earn the 10,000 pesos after 7 days after the confirmation. Okay, so last December 5, 2015, I was able to get help worth 73,600 pesos. That is together with the bonus for the testimonial video. Thank you so much, MMM. Thank you so much to the following participants: Meramonte, Matalusil, Future Snow, Leonoras General. Thank you so much, Sir Sergio Mavrodi, and to all of the participants who are actively participating and donating and giving without any reason. Well, congratulations for 1 year anniversary, and long live MMM. Together we can change the world.